Create this bird text design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Select any size for the project. Go to Elements. Go to Frame. Search the letters. Make all the letter sizes similar. Drag the R and D to the downside. Adjust the size and position if needed. Now, upload your bird image. Drag it to all the letters. Now double-click and zoom in the bird image of all the letters. Import the bird image again. Remove the background. Go to Position and drag the downside of the All elements. Zoom the image. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.